0.05 power of 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 5. All right, so it's only a 5% chance that a surgery is unsuccessful, but 3 in a row being unsuccessful, that's really rare. Okay, good job, Gustavo. All right, now this is a hard one. Find the probability that at least one of the 3 surgeries is successful. Okay, so let me talk you through this, and right now I'm sure some of you are trying to think through it, but stop for right now, okay? Okay, now we would have to figure this out, and I'd have to say, all right, at least one. What does at least one mean? Yeah?
One has to be 95.
One has to be 95. Exactly one of them? No, we could have 2 successes. We could have 3 successes. Could we have 0 successes? No, that's the only thing that can't happen. So look up. We could have 3 successes, right? Which we already figured out that probability. That's 0.857. So what I could do is I could list all of them. We could figure out all the different probabilities. We could have the first one being a success and the other 2 being failures. Failure, success, failure, 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 success. We could have a success, success, failure, a success, failure, success, or a failure, success, success. So we could find out the probabilities of all 7 of those and add them together. And that sounds horrible. Or we could do the complement, where we just say the only thing that can't happen is all 3 are unsuccessful, right? What's the probability of all 3 of them being unsuccessful? So all we're going to do is take 100% and minus 0.000125. And that's it. That's a complement. It's the opposite of what you're trying to find and subtracted from 1, which is 0.999875. So find the probability that at least one of the 3 surgeries is successful. Again, just to talk through it one more time, we could have figured out this one right here is 0.857. We could have figured out the probabilities of all of these and then added all of those numbers together and it would have made that. Or we can just say, look, the only thing that can't happen is none of them are successful, so we'll subtract that from 1 and we got it. Complements are often easier than figuring out the actual probability. Okay, so I need to explain a couple things and my expectations for you. Please pay attention. First of all, this assignment right here, you have to do this problem and these book numbers, and this whole big assignment is due on Monday. You will not get lots of time in class tomorrow because tomorrow we're playing a game. But this, you can work on it over the weekend, you can work on it tonight, whatever. It starts going pretty fast once you get into it. And not every problem has 4 parts. Okay, you could probably get these done right now with your partner. The other thing that we just handed out was like a sheet, right, with a whole bunch of those on it. That's for deal or no deal. We need you guys to make your cards and have them ready for class tomorrow. So this is the only thing that's due for class tomorrow. Look up. All you have to do is cut them out, put them together on a paper clip. There's scissors over there. If you want to get it done right now, you can. You've got 7 minutes. So you could work on this assignment with your partner, or you can go grab a pair of scissors and cut those up for tomorrow, whatever you want. When do you have to have these cut up by? Tomorrow. When is this assignment due?
Monday.
Monday.